Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can easily add shapes in Wix. So let's start. The first thing I want to do is just be in Wix here, and then just like click add, and then you're gonna see, let me show you, decorative, and you're gonna see all the shapes here. So you can choose between like arrows and horizontal lines and basic shapes, like I don't know, this one here. What you can do is just take it and simply make it bigger. You can change the design, you can change the colors here of it. You can also choose different vector art if you want to. You can have border on it. You can apply shadow if you want. Really up to you, it's quite simple. And then you can have like animations here. And like you can link it to somewhere. So this is pretty much it how we do it. Thank you very much everybody for watching and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.